Hello and welcome to PTE Tutorials presentation about speaking, repeating a sentence for the Pearson Test of English Academic. In this lecture, we'll be going over how to repeat a sentence, the test question type, a step-by-step strategy, as well as a sample question. For this question type, you will hear a sentence that is about 3 to 9 seconds long. You should remember the sentence and then repeat the same sentence the exact same way you heard it. While repeating the sentence, you should concentrate on the pronunciation. We will be addressing how good your speaking and listening skills are. Our scoring will be based upon the content, your oral fluency, and pronunciation. What this means is whether or not you said the sentence, how well you said it, and whether or not you pronounce things correctly. Partial credit scoring will be applied. Some tips are that we should concentrate on the context and meaning of the sentence. Listen for groups of words that commonly go together. Try and repeat the entire sentence, or repeat as much of it as you can. Try to maintain proper grammatical sentences as well. You should also be speaking under the timed conditions. Also, don't be quiet for more than 3 seconds. If you do, the question will skip. When you practice, you should be listening carefully to yourself and try to remember the sentence. One can also take notes. Also, try to increase and decrease the speed and follow the sentence. You should also be understanding the accent. For this slide, I'm going to ask you to practice. So we'll play this, and I would like you to repeat it.
The biggest benefit of going to university is not what you learn, but the people you meet there.
And that's all for this lecture. Thank you again for choosing PTE Tutorials, and we'll see you next time.